What's your favourite Excel shortcut? Mine is Control Z. It undoes the last action that you took. And pressing it multiple times will undo multiple actions. So for example, if we highlight our headings and we set a background colour and a text colour and then decide we don't like it, so we try again, we choose a different background colour, we choose a different text colour. We still don't like it, we decide we want to revert to the original, we just do Control Z once, Control Z twice, Control Z 3 times, Control Z 4 times, and we're back where we started. Quick, simple, efficient. Control Z helps so much. Another tip coming next week.